Welcome to Toys Day. Number one, I said in that video, it said that today we would have a video like this. So it depends what's gonna happen on this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I hope you like my channel. This car is number one. It looks like he's gonna be in a good shape. The motor looks completely good. Fin looks good. The remote control is good. We're gonna be testing this out today, which is really exciting. He is gonna be recording it because I'm gonna be driving it. I'm really good at driving it. Did I wave at the camera?
Thank you. Hi.
So let's jump right in to number one. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We are testing this car out today, which is really exciting. And now let's jump right into this. Ooh, that was pretty fast, actually. Oh, let's grab this thing now. What? Okay. Okay, it's coming at me. Oh, jeez! Don't! Well, no control over right here. Backwards spin right here. Come back around. Nice turn. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Oh, jeez. The back is up. So now I know which way it really goes. Someday we should record it, doing obstacles. That would be really cool. If we did obstacles. This looks like a fun obstacle. So this is a number one fast car. The donut. So this car has lots of momentum right here. It's stuck in the middle. So now this car looks like it's like it's kind of like a weird little car, really, right? Well, that's going to be wrapping up for this episode today. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. I hope you like these channels. It'll take a while for me to shut this down. You always hit this little trigger and hit this little trigger. That's wrapping up for this episode. Thanks for watching. Charlie.